It's your boy Los back on the scene. New video. And if you know for a fact that you're putting your PC in sleep mode, but it's randomly waking up,
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
then this is the video for you because I'm going to show you two possible fixes to prevent this from happening.
How do you know how to do that?
It's really quite simple. Now let's get into it. All right, guys. So the first possible fix to stop your computer from randomly waking up is going to be your USB devices. One of your USB devices might be waking up your computer. So what you do for that is you go to the device manager. You go down, go to Universal Serious Bus Controllers. You might have to go through all of these to see which one is the culprit, which one is waking your PC up. Double click, go to power management, and make sure this is unchecked. Allow this device to wake computer. If this is unchecked, then it's not going to wake your computer up randomly. So just go through all of these and make sure that's unchecked. That's the first possible fix from your PC randomly waking up from sleep mode. All right, so the second possible reason your computer is waking up randomly is from a Windows update. It might have sent your settings back to default. So go to Control Panel, System and Security, Power Options, change when the computer sleeps, change advanced power settings, and go down to sleep. Allow wake timers. You want to make sure that's on disable because with the Windows update, it'll go back to enable. So just put that back to disable and that should stop the problem from your PC waking up. All right, guys, I hope this video helps somebody out. I know I used to be pissed when I come home and my computer's on when I know I put it in sleep mode. So those are the two culprits that might be causing that problem. This helped you out. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button, baby. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.